never set limits to my thoughts, and then we played the game how it plays out, and we were very strong. I think it was teamwork in its purest form. We helped each other out, we had the right intensity in the right moments, we put the work in to not allow one shot on target for a strong home team. And if you want to do this, you need to support each other, and you need to play disciplined and keep the intensity up. This is what we did, and players did excellent, so full credit to the team. We had, I told you before, we had a brilliant week from start to finish, and this was proof of it. I'm very happy that he scored today, is involved in goals, because this is something he needs to add to his game. Efficiency, being involved in goals with assists and finishes and goals. So that's why I'm very happy today, because he played with the hunger and with the directness. And on top of it, he needs to stay focused. And I'm the most happy about his attitude today. The reaction after ball losses, the work that he put in to help Reese, because we played a back four against the back five, so to help against the wing backs and to push forward again into pressing. So the work rate is what I like the most in his performance today. And yeah, from there he's fast, he's direct, and he likes to dribble. That's what we want from him. Just first of all to us and to this group, what this group did, I told you was that I learned that this is international football. You can have your ideas whom you want to nominate, but then comes the last weekend and players are out and players are injured and players feel something, and then you have to make a hard decision on some positions. So it is also on me to take these decisions. We took the group that was available, and we took the group that we made available for us, because we thought it's the right thing to do, to start in this season with this group. And they proved the point in camp every day. And Mitrovic is very dangerous together with Vlahovic. We prepared for that, but my opinion was that he maybe would not start because of the lack of match minutes. Listen, you didn't lose for over 2 years, I think, in this stadium. And I think we were very strong today, and we were very strong in the details. We were strong in the duels. We were strong in helping each other out. We had a physical team. We had a team that was ready to run, that was happy to run, and to make it a physical game. Thank you. No, not so much. I expected the same formation like against Spain in the Nations League when you played 0-0 at home. It was also a very disciplined 5-4-1. I thought that this would be the formation. It was the formation. You had a very strong bench. You know, it's after a match, it's always easy to criticize, and everyone knows better after the match. But if you kept a clean sheet longer, if we were maybe not in the same shape, in the same performance, and you have a strong bench and can have a huge impact from the bench.